Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class. Okay, children, in last class we have completed our studio volume 1 till page 6, children. Yes, hope you all completed till here. Okay, children, today we are going with the next page, that is studio volume 1, page 2, children. Okay, everyone open your volume 1, page 7. Okay, everyone open your page 7. See, children, what they have given. Do you know an animal that lives in a burrow? Which animal will live in burrow, children? Yes, rabbit will live in burrow. Very good. Give a name for each rabbit below. One has been done for you. Okay, here they have given 4 rabbit children, and what we have to do? We have to give the names for this rabbit. Okay, names for this rabbit we have to given. Already they have given here. For first rabbit they have given the name as Bunty. Okay, first name is Bunty, and second name, children, see here, second name Mickey, Rocky and Pinky. If you can give as you like, children, I have given the example names for them. Mickey, Rocky and Pinky I have given. Okay, like that you have to name these 4 like this. And after that, children, what is common among these rabbits? Tick your response. Okay, what is common in this 4 rabbits, children? The color is not common. Yes or no, the color is different from these 4. This is in white color, Mickey is in yellow color, Rocky is in brown in color, Pinky is grey in color. Yes or no? Now what is common? Let's see. 2 long ears. These 4 are having 2 long ears. Yes or no? Yes. Tick in the side box. And a fluffy tail. Yes. All rabbits having fluffy tail. Tick in the side box. And short legs. 4 short legs. Yes. 4 short legs each rabbit is having. Tick in the box. And next, coming to the next. All these rabbits have fluffy tails, long ears and 4 short legs. Their names are different but they share common features. Yes or no, children? Their names are different but features are same. Polikal matram okalage unnai but names matram different. Yes or no? Yes. Here rabbit is the general name given to the animal. It is a common noun. Some examples are boy, girl, ball, flower and bag. Yes or no, children? Rabbit is a name. Yes or no? Yes, name. This name to which we have given? To an animal we have given. To an animal with features. What features they should have? Long ears and fluffy tail, 4 short legs. If that animal have, if any animal have these features, we can call it in general as rabbit. In general, we can call it as rabbit. Yes or no, children? Yes, that means this rabbit is a common noun which we can give to that animal with the features. Okay, ఆ పోలికలు ఉన్న ఏ యానిమల్ కైనా ఓకే ఆ పోలికలు ఉండి సేమ్ చూడడానికి ఎలా ఉంటే కామన్ గా దానికి రాబిట్ అని పిలవచ్చు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బాయ్ ఆల్సో. బాయ్ మీన్స్ హౌ ద ఫీచర్స్ షుడ్ బి. బాయ్ మీన్స్ he should wear pant and shirt and he should have craft. Yes or no? He should wear tie and he will wear the watch. He will wear cap like that. And girl means that girl should wear frock and long plaid should be there. She will wear the jewelry, everything. With that features we can say any girl as girl only. Yes or no? Ball and everything. These flower bag. Okay, these words can be called as common in general. Okay, in general if we are giving the names means that name can be called as common noun. And coming to next, the name you give each rabbit is specific. So Bunty is a proper noun here. Some examples are Naveen, Delhi, Mickey and America. What did I told you, children? We are giving the specific names here. These 4 are rabbits only. But in specifically, particularly, we are giving each one as name. That name what Bunty, Mickey, Rocky, Pinky, like that we are giving the specific names. These specific names means to that particular specific rabbit only we should call that name. To a next rabbit we cannot call that name. So this name can be called as proper noun. Okay, this name is known as proper noun. Now see children, common noun means general name, proper noun means specific name. Very good. Now turn the page children. See here everyone, see in page 8. Okay, Raj wants to talk to Rahul and Rohit. Here a boy is standing. This boy is Raj. He wants to talk with who? Rahul and Rohit. Now see the picture below children. Here he is calling hi boys. He is calling as hi boys. And here all boys are looking at the Raj. And next picture he is calling hi Rahul and Rohit. Hi Rahul and Rohit. Here two of them are going that side. Only two are looking at Raju. Okay, now see, you observe this picture now children. Now let's see down what they have given. Discuss the following questions. In picture A, why do all the boys turn towards Raj? Why do all these boys turn to the Raj children? Because all are boys only and Raj is calling hi boys. Hi boys ante okkare boy okkarda name boy anadi? No, for all boys boy is a name. Yes or no? That means that is common now. So all boys have turned towards the Raj. Here in picture B, why do only Rahul and Rohit turn towards Raj? Here in picture B, this Raj is particularly calling only Rahul and Rohit. So these two people, their names are Rahul and Rohit. So they only turn this side, remaining they didn't turn because their name is not Rohit or Rahul. Their name Rohit kadu, Rahul kadu. If he call as boys means they also boys, so they will turn. Okay, next see children. In picture B, Rahul and Rohit turn towards Raj as he called them by their names because he called with their specific names. Yes or no children? Now hope you got the idea, difference between proper and common nouns. Okay, common means in general we will give the names and proper means specific names. And this one is your homework. Okay, this one is your homework children. This box, what they have given, fill in the blanks with the names of two of your classmates. Okay, here two blanks they have given. No, these two blanks you have to fill it with your friends or with your classmates names. Two names you have to write it here. Anyway, this page I will send in the Google Classroom children. You can see this 7th page I will send and you complete the work and send it to me in Google Classroom. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.